In this video, I've got another delicious wild game recipe coming your way. Panko Encrusted Wild Turkey. It's a fast, easy recipe that you can whip up in no time at all, and one that the whole family will enjoy. There you have it, my friends. Panko Encrusted Wild Turkey. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.